Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to fix TikTok messages not working. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first thing is, if you are trying to send message to someone and that account is not following back to you, so it can be a reason to message not working. And if you follow someone and they also follow back to you but your message is not working, then you can do three things. First of all, open your TikTok profile, then click on this three-line icon and click on settings and privacy and scroll down, then click on free up space, and from here you can clear your cache. And if doesn't work for you, then the second option is open your phone settings and scroll down, then click on app management, and from here click on TikTok, and now click on storage usage, and from here you have to click on clear cache. Also you have to clear data, and after that you will automatically sign out from your TikTok account after clearing data from here. And then you have to re-log in into your TikTok account and hope it should fix your message not working problem. And the third option is, if you are still facing problem with your messages, then you have to uninstall your TikTok application from your Android device, and after uninstall you have to reinstall your TikTok from Play Store. So this is the way we can fix TikTok messages not working. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.